The longer I teach, the more I realize that subject material and concepts intertwine. And such it is with subtraction and addition. Subtraction by adding? Yes. Making change. I intend to do other videos on money, recognizing the coins and valuation of that, and also making change. But I'm going to use this one to introduce being able to do subtraction through addition. And these are things that you're going to probably see on your children's worksheets that come home for homework, and these are concepts that they'll be learning in school. Let's say this time you have 83 cents in your pocket, and you've bought something that costs 37 cents. How much change would you have in your pocket after your purchase? Well, you could take your 37 cents, and if you added 3 cents to it, that would bring you to 40. If you took your 40 cents and added another 40 cents to it, you would now have 80 cents. And if you took your 80 and added 3 cents to it, you would now have 83 cents. How much money would you have left in your pocket? You would add the amount of money that you used to get to your partial answers. So that would be a 6, 46 cents. We can test it out by using the subtraction algorithm. Here we have a borrowing step because 3 is too small, so we're going to have to regroup from the 8. That's a cross out, drop down, and then put a little baby 1 next to the 3 in the ones column. 13 take away 7 is 6. 7 take away 3 is 4. And our answers match. In this problem, we were thinking subtraction. In this problem, we were thinking step-by-step addition. So this is subtraction by adding. You have 85 cents in your pocket. You buy something for 48 cents. How much change will you still have in your pocket when your purchase is made? We're going to take the 48 and add something to it to get to an easier number to work with, which is usually the zeroed number. So in this case, we would add 2. Remember, we're dealing with money here, so I use my decimals. 2 pennies. This is penny and penny. And we're going to get 50 cents. Now our 50 cents is a whole lot easier to work with. To get to 85 from 50, perhaps your child will see this and, well, we need 30 because 50, 60, 70, 80 to get us to 80. That would be dime, 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 and that would get us to 80 cents. Pull our 80 over, add 5 cents to it, which would be a nickel, and we would get 85 cents. So how much money is left in our pocket? We would add the 2, the 3 dimes, and the nickel. So we would have 7 and 3. 37 cents would be left in our pocket. If we did the traditional subtraction algorithm, 5 is smaller than 8, so we have to regroup from the tens column. Cross out, drop down, little baby 1 next to it. That's the 10 we borrowed plus the 5 that was already here. The 10 that came from the tens column, and the 5 that was already present. 15 take away 8 is 7. 7 take away 4 is 3. We have 37 each way. This is a thinking exercise in subtraction. This is a thinking exercise in addition. Or if you were a cashier somewhere, you could be making change by thinking of how do I get to easier numbers to work with. These are the worksheets that will probably come home.